It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding mirrors, the programmable memory seat, auto express windows, and the child lock button. We've got the wood grain trim, and this Denali comes with a premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, Denali badging in both headrests, and a power sunroof up above. To the left of the steering wheel is trailer mode, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting buttons and dials, and the park brake. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got the audio buttons. This is our digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, rear window slider, power sunroof buttons, and OnStar. This is GMC's infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's a touch screen that displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, but missing that SD card at the moment, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to turn that guidance off or back on. Just below that are the dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats. To the far left is our engine push start button, lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the trailer brake, and some USB and power plug-ins. This is the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille, chrome tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator, running boards down below, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push that silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back, the rear window slider and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. We're going to use the key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It's also got the multi-pro tailgate step. So by pushing two additional buttons here, we'll drop that step down. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and box lighting. Last, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice we've got lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. On the passenger door, we've got power windows, that wood grain trim, and a storage compartment down below. On the backs of both front seats, we've got some leather seat pockets. And on the back of the center console, we've got 2 cup holders, heated rear seats, and some USB and power plug-ins. This middle seat here folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We've got behind the seat storage located behind either of the rear seats, as well as some under seat storage by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.